got no pollution. You don't have sirens, police cars, fire trucks, ambulances. Why would anybody want this lifestyle? Well, I'll tell you. There's nothing better than waking up in the morning, and right now it's 5:30 a.m., waking up in the morning to peace and quiet and just having God's nature all surrounding you. It's just an awesome experience. I come out here every day, out to the end of this boardwalk. I sit on the bench and I just enjoy the peace and quiet and the surroundings of nature all around me.